हेलो हाय गुड इवनिंग। आज तो कल मैं लाइव नहीं कर पाई। आई कुड नॉट डू लाइव yesterday. I was out yesterday during the day, and then I was very tired by evening because there's a lot of things, shopping and all that. Okay. So today the market opened in the green. The indications were that it will open in green, and it opened in green. But then what happened? It corrected, and actually by the end of the day, gladly the markets were able to hold the levels of 23 600 was held on, and 78 just Sensex थोड़ा 78 के ऊपर ही point something कुछ बंद हुआ 0 something. Okay, so now what is the consensus is that even my clients are asking that, should they book profit and get out of the market and all that, because एक दिन ऊपर जाता है फिर एक दिन नीचे आता है. 1000+ points का रैली था. उसके बाद फिर then it has corrected again. So what is it that the MPC meeting is on currently. So tomorrow the RBI will speak. Probably the market is waiting for that. Otherwise, most of the things have kind of settled. The budget is done. The Fed has also maintained the status quo, which was expected. Then वो जो tariffs का जो scare आया था वो भी settle हो गए. कितनी सारी चीजें have kind of settled down, because of which the market was volatile. So if you now see, things have quite a lot settled. Okay, so like earlier there were lots of variables. Of course there are still variables, but utna nahi hai. Most of the it seems like, see, after all, Trump is a businessman, and no businessman wants business to be affected by any of the things, politics or whatever. So he's a businessman first and then a politician. Okay, so anyway, things have kind of settled. Tomorrow is RBI policy. Let's see what happens tomorrow. But anyway, things are better for the banks. And if you look at the SBI results today, they have reported a 84% profit year on year. Okay, and most of the figures are good. For the profit is up. This is standalone profit, which is up 84%. 16,891 crore is the profit, which was earlier year on year 9,000 some 163 crore rupees. NII is also high. It's a 10% up year on year. PAT is a little down. This is on a sequential basis. It is down. Otherwise, it's good. Also, Bharti Airtel's results are also bumper results. Their ARPUs have also gone up. From I think some 245 to exact number I'll look up. And also other things also. Bharti Airtel का result बहुत ही अच्छा है. This was after the market. So the heavyweights have kind of done well. And also if I look at the Bharti Airtel results are up. Okay, Trend has kind of uska bhi, I would say it's a decent result. The revenue is up 36%, EBITDA is up 34%. These are standalone figures. Margin is a little down. Their store expansion is I think on track. 62 Zudio के stores खोले हैं, in 18 store west side के खुले हैं. So it's like more or less, I also feel that Trend is kind of doing better. Now what is the market wrap? Okay, this is the market wrap thing. So market wrap, so we are more or less still in a bull market. This is not a bear market. We can't say it is a bear market. So many things have happened. I just enumerated. And still we are above 23,600, which is commendable. And we are above 78. Of course, we can't compare it with 82 and 83 and 84 levels in last September. We will gradually get there. Some correction had to happen. The market can't go one way only. Okay, it just can't keep going up. And if that happens, then that is a scare. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है that the market closed the door. Okay, so now that way, so the markets had to correct, but ऐसा कोई मारामारी वो सब नहीं है. And of course there are external factors, tariff and all that. The US president was changed. Dollar, there's a big change because of the new president and his tariff policies or whatever he speaks. Dollar is also going up, up, up. Gold is high. So there's so many things. So I don't think so. This is a bear market by any of the concerns. Small and mid cap stocks have corrected quite a lot. In fact, today also they corrected quite a lot. But still, I feel there is headroom for them to go up. Okay, there are good stocks in small and mid cap which still have headroom, to go up. You have to, find out those stocks. And this is a serious market now. What was happening for the last 3-4 years was everything was doing well. Of course, there were corrections, but it's a serious correction nahi tha. So now this is the market which will separate men from the boys and women from the girls. Okay, so now this is the market where you have to be very careful where you're putting money. And actually, people have shown. I'm seeing it's not that only the institutional investors, they are intelligent. Actually, many retail investors are very intelligent. If you speak to them, it's so much of information available, and thankfully, people are reading all that. So it's like and whenever this recovery happens, this recovery will happen again soon. These small and mid cap stocks will recover faster than we expect them to. I think आज कुछ 800 points या कुछ ऐसे points दिन में down था mid cap वाला, I think. So when the recovery happens, of course you have to be very patient. But if you have good stocks, you have nothing to worry. I'm not selling anything. I have bought somewhat, but I'm not selling any of the stocks, including defense stocks. Okay, so this video is only for information purposes, and don't whatever I'm discussing, and even if I name some stocks, they are not recommendations by any way. It's not necessary that you have to buy them, or it's not a recommendation to buy. Okay, so okay, I've already said this. We saw 10-year jump in markets in the US last 2-3 years and all this. So that is a big. We have already taken that leap. So I think I've already discussed this in some other way. So I will not say that this is a bear market still. Nifty 50 can make new highs in 2025. I heard Atul Suri's interview today, and he was, and I agree with him that Nifty 50 it's only February, so we can't write off the year by saying, oh, this year is going to be bad. And of course, this year we will not be like last 2-3 years, but I also believe that Nifty 50 can make a new highs, because we have given this economic survey also kind of gave up the 6.8 level that we can grow, which after this income tax cut, I feel the consumption will be boosted, and because of that, other gears of the economy will start working, because when there's a demand, supply comes in. So we may touch new highs, Nifty 50 may, and that may happen towards the end of the year, which is when the festive season and all kicks in, post summer. That we are not playing a. This is also what he said. We are not playing a 3 months game. It's a long match. Okay. Now tech, auto, and energy. Tech and auto are doing well, emerging. Tech and auto are doing well, and also autos, maybe two-wheeler stocks are doing well. Okay, so railway, defense. Okay, I've written this, that PSU stocks, are they a sell? Railway, defense, these stocks, energy stocks, they've taken a beating of 30 to 40%, and they will kind of take some time to go up again. Okay, So, you should wait and watch. But as I said yesterday also, no, yesterday I didn't do in my life, day before, the defense has so many orders, defense companies, that, I'm not selling those stocks. I still believe in those stocks, and that capex story is not over. No, the defense story is not over. Definitely not. Okay. Abhi bhi news में something has come that about some Pinaka. Uh, so there's a news. Some new orders for some Pinaka missiles has been, has the government has received that. So now it's like, so this is not going to slow down this defense make in India and all that. So now I'm still believe in the defense stock. But yes, you have to be careful. You can't just go ahead and buy anything and everything which has defense written on it. Okay, so this is the market wrap which is the which I feel which way wind is blowing in terms of market. Do let me know if you agree with me, or you don't, if you have some other take on this. Okay, so I'll again talk about today's two gainers, and we'll go in the we'll look at the balance sheet and the details of the company, and of course I'll tell you about the other gainers of the day, which were, I'll let you know the two gainers which I'm going to talk about the today. Again, Jolly Plastic was again a day before yesterday when I did this same live. Jolly Plastic was the highest gainer of the day with 54% of jump that day itself. Today also it has jumped up 57%. Hmm. And it closed at 192 rupees. Okay, now I have looked into Jolly Plastics balance sheet and standalone and consolidated and everything, and the financials are weak. Uh, I think the shareholding of the shareholding pattern also, as the promoters have, I think, minuscule stake in the company. So this is a Hawa stock, hmm, Jolly Plastic, and they were into plastic initially, but then they got into electronic manufacturing or something like that. So this is, I think I've done this day before yesterday. If I'm, yeah, I did it. So I will not pick up Jolly Plastic. Of course, it jumped today at uh, jumped today 57%. आप कैसे हो? I am fine. आप कैसे हैं? How was your day today? Okay. The other one, so I will not pick up this one. This was the highest gainer of the today, with 57% of jump. The other one is Keynote Financial. This jumped up 19.9%. Okay, this has a good balance sheet. They are into uh, financial services. They are into investment banking, corporate advisory, ESOP advisory. So these stocks are doing well. इनका ही जमाना है अभी तो. So this was up 19% today, almost 20%. It closed at 285 rupees per share. Okay, this is after this a 20% jump. Market cap of the company is, this is Keynote Financial Services stock. Okay, the market cap of the company is 196 crore rupees. Stock PE is 6.3. ROC of the company is 31.7%. And return on equity is 24.1. Okay, earning per share is 43 rupees. Okay, 43 rupees का EPS है, and the face value of the stock is 10 rupees. Okay, book value is 200. Okay, if I look at the chart of the company, then exactly 1 year back on 7th Feb, this stock was at around 145 rupees, and today it is 284. It went up till 367 in October. That was the peak. Okay, in 1 year, this 1 year, and now it is here. It is again going up. Okay, it is again climbing, getting into this green candle pattern. Okay, If you look at the peer comparison, there also it is it has decent ROC is around 31. So Muthoot Finance has 13% of ROC. Shriram Finance has 11% ROC, and all are सब दिग्गज हैं इसके peers. Bajaj Finance है, Bajaj Finserv, Jio Financial, Bajaj Holdings, Cholamandalam Investment, Shriram Finance, Muthoot Finance. Okay, so this has a decent ROC as compared to them, but this is a smaller company with a market cap of 196 crore rupees, and the others are like, for example, we have this Muthoot Finance, you will get 89,655 crore का market cap है Muthoot Finance का. So Muthoot Finance is also doing very well. And of course Shriram Finance, evergreen kind of stocks, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. Okay, then quarterly results, if I look at the net profit of the company has, okay, operating profit of the company has, they have not declared their quarter 3 result as yet. Operating profit of the company has kind of come down from 8 to 8.6 crores in June 24 to 7.73 crores in September 23, and operating margin percentage is also kind of down, but they are still to give their quarter 3 results, come out with the quarter 3 results. Net profit has gone up from 7.91 crores to 8.71 crores. This is quarter on quarter. Okay, and earning per share has also gone up from 11 rupees to 12.41 crore rupees. If I look at the consolidated figures, their operating profit has gone up. In March 23 it was 1 crore, but in March 24 it went up to 36 crore rupees, and TTM is 37 crore rupees. Operating margin has also is stable around 73-72%. Net profit has gone up from 27 crores to 31 crore rupees. Okay, earning per share has also gone up from 38 rupees to 43.8 rupees. 3 years May the stock has given 14% return, and if we look at the balance sheet of the company, then capital reserve is stable. Reserves have gone up. Borrowings are a little up, and other assets have also gone up. I look at the liabilities in a little detail. Their other liabilities have gone up. Okay, cash flows, cash flows from operating activity have kind of come down, and cash flows from investing investing activity has come down. Okay, minus may have it, and cash from financing activity is also in minus. Shareholding pattern, 57% is with the promoters, FII is at 7% stake in the company, public has 35.6%. So this is a decent company. I like this stock, Keynote Financial Services. It's a good stock, and it was up 20% today. Okay, it's breaking out. It was, it consolidated a little bit after this peak in October last year, and then now it is again breaking out. It was, if I go back 3 years, it was around 108 rupees. So it has had a gradual climb. These financial advisory services and investment banking stocks, corporate activity stocks, they are doing well. Okay, so this is one of the top gainers today, which is Keynote Financial. So the other one I'll take it, Sharda Ispat. Okay, this was also up. मैंने देखा ही नहीं. This is also up 19.3 some percent. 341 पे बंद हुआ आज ये. Market cap of the company is 173 crore rupees. This is into they do manufacturing job and in alloys, steel and rolled products. Steel products के अंदर है ये. The company manufactures and supplies flats, round, square, alloy, carbon and spring steel rolled products to automobile OEM, component manufacturer, forgings, and so they are into the steel products and they are also into OEMs. So since the auto and the story around the auto is building up, the auto stocks are doing well. This is also likely to, this is kind of doing well. We look at the balance sheet because I'm also looking for the first time. Abhi, I did not see this stock because when it came up, I was not looking. I was looking somewhere else. Okay, the stock P of the I have not studied this पहले. Okay, अभी ये live हो रहा है जो भी हो रहा है. Okay, stock P is around 16.1. ROC is 31%. ROE is around 31. ROC ROE दोनों 31 है. EPS is earning per share is 21 rupees and face value of the stock is 10 and current price is 341 पे है. ये आज after this 20% jump in the stock. If I look at the chart, this is again breaking out. Okay, this was in consolidation. This stock went up last year in June up to the levels of 737 exactly on 27th June. Then it has corrected majorly. So this was a huge jump from 327 rupees on 13 June. It skyrocketed like hockey stick की तरह ऊपर गया ये. 737 पे हुआ ये बंद. उसके बाद then it came down again and in July it came down and it again jumped again. So this is going like this and all, and then it corrected till 285 levels in November 24. Since then there's a roller coaster is happening and now it is again breaking out to 340 rupees. Okay, this again this story around this automobile and OEMs and electric vehicles and all this is gathering steam. So this is now gaining and the this consumption boost which is happening now. तो उसमें पैसा कहाँ खर्च होगा? Autos will also benefit. Like autos will benefit, banks will benefit, consumption stock, discretionary spends will benefit, clothes, textiles, travel tourism. So if we compare with the peers, then it has a good ROC of 31.02, which is actually better than all of his peers mentioned here. Better than Ratnamani Metals, which has a good ROC of 27%. NMDC Steel का तो minus में उसका छोड़ो. Usha Martin has 22%. Maharashtra Seamless has also 23% ROC. These two are very good stocks, Usha Martin and Maharashtra Seamless. They are on my radar. I am not recommending. Okay, Gallant Ispat is 12% ROC and Bansal by all are decent stocks with good ROC. Quarterly results अगर देखें तो इसका ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट अप हुआ है फ्रॉम 0.52 crores मतलब 50 लाख से 3 crore 62 lakh rupees. So these are quarterly results. So September 24 से December 24 में इतना हुआ है. इनका Q3 रिजल्ट नहीं आया अभी. Operating margin has also gone up from 1.6% to 6.6%, but actually this is lower than its operating profit margins earlier. 10.9, 8% ऐसे था. Okay, then it came down. if I look at the profit, that net profit, that has also gone up from 49 lakh to 3.13 crore. I mean, this other income has also gone up. What is this other income? Other income from 63 lakh rupees to 1.18 crore rupees. And it's other income detail nahi hai yahan pe. And earning per share has also gone up from 97 paisa to 6 rupees 17 paisa. So I'm also seeing for this for the first time. Okay, I have not studied this stock. If we look at the year-on-year thing, then operating margin has come down according to the TTM figures. It's not, they have not come out with their this quarter 3 results. Okay, so actually in operating profit continuously ऊपर गया है. March 2024 में it was 19 crore rupees. उससे पहले it was 6 crore, उससे पहले 5, उससे पहले 5, उससे पहले 6. So March 2024 was a very good year for them. TTM is 13 crore rupees. Operating profit and margin has kind of come down a little bit, but this is, as I said, TTM figures. Net profit has kind of come down from 14 crores to 11 crore rupees. These are not the final figures. And EPS is from 27 rupees to 21 rupees. So EPS is also kind of gone up from, let's compare, March 23 में 7 rupees था, March 24 में 27 rupees हुआ अर्निंग पर शेयर. उससे पहले और भी कम था. So this was the March 24 was a good year for them in terms of EPS. अभी भी 21 rupees TTM है. Return on equity is 19% for the last 3 years, and last year it was 31%. If I look at the balance sheet of the company, their reserves have grown and their borrowings have also gone up. Their investments have also gone up. Okay, and their other assets have kind of gone up. Okay, let me see. Okay, so their inventories have gone up. Okay, from 26.9 crore rupees to 32.02 crore rupees. And if I look at the loans and advances, that has also gone up. Okay, cash equivalents have come down. अच्छे से इन्होंने दिया है अपना पूरा बही खाता. So the total assets have grown from 77 crores to 85 crore rupees. अच्छे से दिए बैलेंस शीट, अच्छी बात है, good. Okay, cash flows, if I look at, then cash from operating profit has gone up, and cash from investing activity has come down, and cash from financing activity has also come down. Let me look at the detail. So proceeds from borrowings are down. Repayment of borrowing is down. Financial liabilities minus 0.71. So the net cash flow is minus 0. Okay. Okay, sorry. जिन लोगों को interest नहीं है. Sorry. Okay, shareholding pattern 74% is with the promoters and 25% is with the public. So this is Sarda Ispat for you. This was up today. 20% it was up today. Finally it settled at 19.3%, and this is one of the top gainers. These are small cap, micro cap stocks which I talk about in these videos, because these, you should also know about these stocks, because sometimes इसमें अच्छे स्टॉक भी होते हैं, दिन में अच्छे स्टॉक थे इसमें टॉप गेनर्स में, but in the big names and all, we don't look at these names. So they give us good insight in the market. When you look at these small stocks and all, what they are doing and how they are doing, this kind of tells you which way is the hawa flowing. So today trend was down. SBI closed down, no results. अच्छे थे SBI के. HDFC Bank was up and all that. Today's gainer, so the Cipla was the gainer today. 2% gain tha. Rani Ports was up today 1%. Infosys 0.9%. Tata Consumer Products was up again 0.7%. Dr. Reddy's Lab. Dr. Reddy's Lab is doing really well for some days, actually months or year maybe. Okay. So tomorrow we have this RBI monetary policy. The RBI is most likely to cut 25 basis points for the first time, and this can further boost the bank stocks up, and of course real estate stocks up, because when the bank stocks, when the interest rate is cut, the loans become cheaper, so people will buy houses, people will take a loan. That will help banks also, and that will help real estate companies also. Okay, so it's another kind of a trigger for the market to go up. Okay, also rural demand is kind of, I think I mentioned in the description box. So the rural demand is kind of now gaining momentum, and also higher the prices of staples and input costs and all, that is kind of helping the this consumer durable FMCG companies, or not consumer durable FMCG companies, to hike their prices. So this will kind of give another boost to the consumption stocks. Actually, Edelweiss ने तो नया Consumption NFO भी launch किया है, which has consumption stocks. Okay, so the consumption story is getting a major boost, like their railways and all those they had. Okay, so now this time it is coming from the rural market. So if I go into the details of this 20 to 40, sales volumes were up 9.9% in rural areas in December quarter, up from 5.7% in the previous quarter, and double the 5% increase in urban center. So urban areas में कम था. अभी तो खैर because of this tax cut, now definitely urban pockets will also do well. Okay, so rural areas have outperformed urban locations for the last 4 quarters, benefiting from income support schemes by Indian states and the central government. Okay. Okay, so now this is where I'll end this live. I'll see you people again tomorrow, and we'll have that RBI thing out. So I hope tomorrow is a green day. I think it will be I will not say, because I thought it will be a green day, and we know what happened. The market stumbled because of the tariff announcement. जब हुआ था पहली बार, उसके बाद वापस roll back हो गए, वो अलग बात है. But I was like very sure that the markets will be down and all that. But that didn't happen. It's okay, market is up, I'm fine. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. And anyone, hi Mohit, and keep watching, and please share also, and let me know what you want to उसमें कुछ और include करना. If you want me to talk about something else, I try to do market wraps and all that, to give a perspective about what is happening in the market and what can be influenced by whatever, and the government policies and other aspects of the market. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Sleep well, good night, and please take care of yourself.